Hi friends, this video shows how to stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on and connecting. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, tap on Wi-Fi. You can see Wi-Fi is already on and it's already connected to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Tap on this network name. Here we can see auto join option. See, right now it's enabled. Hence, phone will automatically connect to this Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. I don't want that feature. Let me disable it. See, now phone will not automatically connect to this Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. Go back. Next, I am going to turn off Wi-Fi. Tap here, done. So this way we can disable auto join and turn off Wi-Fi. So that way we can stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on and connecting to internet. And later, if you want to turn on Wi-Fi and connect to internet, you can again come to the settings, tap on Wi-Fi. First turn on Wi-Fi, done. But you can see it's not connected to this Wi-Fi network because we have disabled auto join. In this situation, we have to tap on this Wi-Fi name. See, now it's connecting. Okay, connected. So this way we can stop Wi-Fi from automatically turning on and connecting to internet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.